In a fresh incident proving the deteriorating situation of law and order in the state, Sarpanch of Parra village Panchayat was allegedly brutally attacked by some residents when he was discharging his duties.
Sarpanch of Parra village Panchayat, Bernardic D'Souza, is currently hospitalized at Asilo Hospital, Mapsa. In an injured condition, Bernardic narrated the unfortunate incident.
फर्स्ट सेकंड सरनेम बाकात त्यांचे फर्स्ट नेम म्हाका तेका खबर ना तेजो बाप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट लायनमॅन कामाक रावतात मोयडा ते म्हापसा डिपार्टमेंट लायनमॅन आहा तेका पंचायतीन नोटीस काडली ताणें पारा एक बिल्डींग मारला इल्लीगल विदाउट परमिशन नोटीस टू स्टॉप नोटीस आनी आयज तेजो इकरांक पंचनामा आसलो.
Bernardic informed that there was no previous enmity with the attackers.
तशें कांय नासलें नॉर्मल आमचो कितें आतां प्रोसिजर आमी करताले
पूण ते बांदकाम म्हणलें तें बेकायदेशीर आसलें
बेकायदेशीर पंचायतीचें लायसन्स घेवंक ना न्ही ग्रावंड +1 बांदलें समथींग बरें व्हडलें स्ट्रक्चर बांदलें.
ओके आयज ती मिटींग दवरली
आयज ते पंचनामा दवरलो इन्स्पेक्शन टेप लावंक वयता सेक्रेटरी तेन्ना ताणें तें स्टार्ट केलें पांय बापायन स्टार्ट केलें तें आनी सरपंचाचे 4 भाव आहा तेणें स्टार्ट केलें ते सॉल्व करपाक मे बी इट वॉज अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर ऑल्सो वूड नोस.
Mapsa police station has heard from both the parties and will be conducting further inquiry. All the 4 members of Bakkar family have been arrested by Mapsa police. Our reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
Goa Bachao Abhiyan called on a public meeting in order to discuss and finalize their stand on the recent ordinance issued by Government of Goa to a 5-star hotel. Many eminent speakers and various NGO heads opined their views and reacted strongly at the meeting held at Club National Panji. They have called for a public rally on 23rd March to discuss the issue.
We have got absolutely no clear-cut signal from the government as to why this ordinance has been promulgated. I think the people of Goa deserve an explanation as to what was the urgency, the necessity and the absolute haste in which this ordinance was promulgated, very apparently to salvage one particular resort. Government wants to do something, they will do it overnight. Garbage can go on mounting. I wish they would show the same urgency on sorting out civic issues and the same passion in sorting out civic issues.
Now this is an issue that concerns a wide spectrum of people. So what the suggestion was that if people want to take up this issue, then a forum should be formed, a front should be formed where a focus intervention on this issue is taken, on the ordinance issue.
Ex-employee of Sidadi Goa, Ivo Cardos, said that the ordinance needs to be reverted but not favouring some vested interest. He also questioned to the present public whether it was fair enough to demolish a structure which provided tourism economy revenue in crores of rupees. But unfortunately, he was not allowed to complete his point.
Lord, I've been thrown out of Siddhartha Goa in the year 2000. I left. Lord, please sit down.
I'm sorry, please do not disrespect Lord Alvarez.
Is this a public meeting or not?
Yes, one second.
Yes, if it is a public meeting, listen.
With a very clear focus,
I request for time. Would you want infrastructure which provides 20,000 crores to the tourism economy? Because if you pick up this hotel, there are many other industries and hotels.
You had your 2 minutes. I think we've given either enough time. Do I have any other speakers who want to come up? I think we've given you a fair say, Ivor. You've spoken as much as the other speakers. Let's continue with the meeting and the purpose that we're here for.
My only request is what Oscar Rebelo said, don't involve our children because your minds are blocked minds. Please.
We have a next speaker, please.
Among the eminent speakers present for the meeting were Dr. Oscar Rebelo, ex-convener of GBA, City Corporator Advocate Avinash Bhosle, environmentalist Ramesh Gaus, सेक्रेटरी फॉर गोंयच्या रापणकारांचो एकवट माथानी साल्दाना, जॉइंट कन्व्हेनर फॉर GBA Sabina Martins and other citizens. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Prudent has once again come out with Aam Aadmi's opinion. This time it's about the Ram Sene who wants to set up its branch in Goa. Goans have reacted strongly against Sene's branch in the state and have demanded that it should not be allowed to spread its tentacles in Goa.
Shri Ram Sene, a pro-Hindu political group headed by Pramod Mutalik, has plans to make their debut in Goa within next 2 to 3 months. But after Prudent Media exposed their plans through an exclusive report, people opined their views on Ram Sene. Here is what they have to say.
गोंयान राम सेनेची गरज आसा अशें म्हाका तरी दिसना. जर कोणाक दिसता की बायलां चुकतात खंय तरी जाल्यार आमकां राम सेना कित्याक जाय, आमकां सीता ब्रिगेड जाय किंवा सीता सेना जाय. बायलांचें जर खंय चुकता जाल्यार बायलांच बायलांक समजावन सांगतली आनी दाखोवन दितली. पबान बायलांनी वचप वायट, खूब वायट, पूण पबान दादल्यांनी वचप तितलेंच वायट. दादले पबान वतले, बार्रांनी वतले, जुगार खेळटले आनी बायलांनीच करचें न्ही, हें जर आमी म्हणूंक लागले जाल्यार डबल स्टँडर्ड. हे खंयच्याच कल्चरान बसूंक फावना. राम सेना ही जी आसा ही रामाचें नांव बदनाम करता. हांचें जर राम राज्य आयलें जाल्यार आमकां एक राष्ट्रगीत करचें पडटलें. देखो दिवानो तुम ये काम ना करो, राम का नाम बदनाम ना करो. रामाच्या वेळार जेन्ना अहिल्याचेर दुबाव आसलो, अहिल्या एक स्त्री की तिची चाल वायट आसा म्हणून, रामान कितें तिका थापड मारूंक ना, तिचे केस ओडूंक ना, काय तिका खोटावंक ना. रामान कितें केलें, अहिल्याचो उद्धार केलो. या राम सेनेकडे ताक आसा खंयच्या तरी अहिल्याचो उद्धार करपाची.
बायलांनी कितें करपाचें, खंय वचपाचें आनी कशें रावपाचें हे हक्क आमी कुठल्याय राम सैनीक दिवं ना. सदांच अशें जाता की स्त्री एका पुरुश सत्याच्या अधिकारीला वावरता आनी ते आमकां आतां करचें ना. आतां आमी 21व्या शतकांतली स्त्री आसा आनी कुठलेय राम सेना येवन ती आमकां आमी कशें वागपाचें, आमी कशें रावपाचें, आमी खंय वचपाचें, आमी कितें खावपाचें, आमी कितें पिवपाचें, हो हक्क तांकां नाच. रामाच्या नांवा खाली हो पुरुशी सत्तेने मांडलेलो एक अत्याचार आसा आनी तो खंय तरी काबार करून जाय. सदां अशें म्हणटा की राम एक मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम असलो, पण हे सगळे आतां जे आयला राम सेनेचे पुरुष ते मर्यादा सोडून वागता अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Socio-political analysts in the state too have reacted very strongly against Ram Sene's setting up its branch in the state.
म्हाका दिसता श्रीराम सेना सारकी धर्माच्या नांवार आपल्याक जाय तसली व्याख्यानां करपी आनी आपल्याक जाय ते तरणाट्यांक शिकोवपाक सोदपी लोक आमकां गोंयान अजिबात नाका. हालींसरान गोंयान खुबशे म्हणजे गोंयची कम्युनल हार्मोनी ना बिगाडपाचे खुबशे प्रयत्न जावपाक लागल्यात.
आमकां गोंयान राम सेनेची खरीच गरज ना, कित्याक आमी गोंयकार जे गोंयान जातीय जंगली जातात त्यो आडावपाक आमी पुराय समर्थ आसात. ह्या पयलीं आडायल्ले आसात आनी ह्या मुखार आमी तितल्याच समर्थपणान आडायतले हाचेर म्हाका पुराय विश्वास आसा.
Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli.
Though it was a late start for the Shigmo at Fonda, the fun and frolic continued till late night and captivated the audience and the participants. Massive public of Fonda witnessed and participated in Shigmo with mind-blowing music of Dhol Tashe and spectacular float parade. Antrus came alive with beats of Rom Tamil and chanting of Osai Osai.
Antrus Shigmo Committee President and Home Minister Ravi Naik along with Transport Minister Sudhin Dhavlikar opened the Fonda Shigmo in a traditional fashion. After inauguration, there was no looking back as